Hello, and welcome to today's video, where we'll be discussing the post-COVID world and its impacts on various aspects of our lives. The COVID-19 pandemic has undoubtedly left an indelible mark on the world, with millions infected and millions more affected in one way or the other. However, as vaccines roll out globally, we are starting to see some positive changes. In this video, we will delve deeper into the impacts of COVID-19 and explore how we can navigate the post-COVID world. Section 1. Health and Well-being. COVID-19 has had a significant impact on global health and well-being. The pandemic has caused massive disruption in healthcare systems worldwide, with hospitals and medical personnel overwhelmed by the sheer number of patients. In addition to the physical toll, the pandemic has also taken a toll on mental health, with many struggling with anxiety, stress, and isolation. However, as vaccines become more widely available, we are starting to see a decline in infections and hospitalizations. Moreover, the pandemic has also led to an increased focus on mental health, with virtual mental health services and remote therapy providing access to support for people worldwide. As we navigate the post-COVID world, it's essential to prioritize our physical and mental well-being. This includes maintaining healthy habits such as regular exercise, a balanced diet, and good sleep hygiene. Additionally, it's essential to seek support when needed and reach out to mental health professionals if you're struggling with anxiety, stress, or other mental health issues. Section 2. The economy. The COVID-19 pandemic has had far-reaching impacts on the global economy. With businesses shutting down, job losses, and economic uncertainty, the pandemic has caused a global recession. However, as vaccines become more widely available, many countries are starting to see economic recovery. Nevertheless, it's essential to acknowledge that certain industries have been disproportionately affected, with the hospitality, tourism, and airline industries taking the biggest hit. The pandemic has also highlighted the importance of remote work and flexible work arrangements, with many companies forced to adapt to remote work arrangements during the pandemic. The rise in e-commerce platforms such as Amazon and Shopify has also provided a vital lifeline for many businesses during these trying times. As we navigate the post-COVID world, it's essential to prioritize economic recovery and support businesses that have been impacted by the pandemic. This includes shopping locally and supporting small businesses, as well as advocating for policies that support economic recovery and job creation. Section 3. Technology. The pandemic has accelerated the adoption of technology worldwide. With social distancing measures in place, many people have turned to technology for entertainment, communication, and work. This has led to a significant increase in the use of virtual platforms such as Zoom, Skype, and Microsoft Teams. Additionally, remote work has led to an increase in the use of collaboration tools such as Slack and Trello. The pandemic has also led to an increased adoption of e-commerce platforms such as Amazon and Shopify. As we move towards a post-COVID world, it's likely that technology will continue to play an increasingly important role in our daily lives. As we navigate the post-COVID world, it's essential to ensure that technology is used responsibly and in a way that benefits everyone. This includes addressing issues such as data privacy, cybersecurity, and the digital divide. It's also essential to continue investing in technology education and training to ensure that everyone has access to the skills they need to thrive in a technology-driven world. Section 4. Education. The pandemic has disrupted the education system worldwide, with schools and universities closing down to curb the spread of the virus. The shift to remote learning has led to a rise in online learning platforms such as Coursera and edX. However, the pandemic has also highlighted the digital divide, with many students lacking access to reliable internet and technology. Additionally, the pandemic has had a significant impact on the mental health and well-being of students, with many struggling with the transition to remote learning and social isolation. As we navigate the post-COVID world, it's essential to prioritize education and ensure that all students have access to quality education. This includes addressing issues such as the digital divide and investing in technology and infrastructure to ensure that all students can access online learning. It's also important to prioritize mental health support for students and provide resources to help them cope with the challenges of remote learning and social isolation. Section 5. Society and culture. The pandemic has had a significant impact on society and culture. Social distancing measures have led to the cancellation of many cultural events, such as concerts and festivals. Additionally, the pandemic has highlighted existing social inequalities and disparities. The pandemic has also led to an increased focus on social justice and advocacy for marginalized communities. As we move towards a post-COVID world, it's essential to prioritize social justice and equality and ensure that everyone has access to opportunities and resources. Conclusion. In conclusion, the COVID-19 pandemic has had a profound impact on the world, with far-reaching effects on our health, the economy, technology, education, and society. As vaccines become more widely available, we are starting to see some positive changes, but it's essential to acknowledge that the impacts of the pandemic will be felt for years to come. As we navigate the post-COVID world, it's essential to prioritize our health and well-being, support economic recovery, use technology responsibly, prioritize education, and promote social justice and equality. We hope you found this video informative and thought-provoking. If you enjoyed it, please give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.